Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Sienna rear wiper. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blade and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Now, identify the small tab or clip on the wiper blade connector that holds the old blade in place. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blade. With the wiper arm held securely, press down on the small release tab located on the blade's connector. Once released, slide the entire old wiper blade assembly off the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Be very careful to maintain a firm grip on the wiper arm throughout this step, preventing it from accidentally springing back and potentially damaging your rear window. Installing the new wiper blade is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm assembly back down onto the rear window glass, ensuring it rests flat. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and test the new rear wiper blade. Ensure it moves smoothly across the glass and provides a clear, streak-free wipe. For optimal performance, inspect your wiper blades every 6 months for cracks, tears, or reduced effectiveness, replacing them as needed. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for a link to that book, along with other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.